So these are Spanish needles. The blooms are very indescript, oftentimes lacking petals and so forth. But this is a Bidens, one of the beggar ticks. And they're called Spanish needles because once they do get pollinated, and this is still green, it's still going to form, they form these long needle-like attachments, which is where the seeds are. And the name Bidens comes because the end of them are going to have two little teeth. Bidens means bi, to, dens, like dental teeth. And those act as these little connections that hitch a ride onto animals, and then, you know, later on the animal's going to have to clean those things off. Stick tights, beggar ticks, bootjacks. But this particular species goes by the name of Spanish needles because of how long those needles are. A pretty neat little plant. One of our Bidens or beggar ticks. So I've actually started taking this one apart, and it's still green, but you might be able to see where the little teeth would eventually form, and each of these little sticks would be a needle, would be one seed. So it's still green, but you can at least get an idea how this works. And once these things are ripe, these little hooks would cling on to whatever goes by. Thus the name stick tights or beggar ticks. These are Spanish needles.